Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra and today we are making, that's right, pumpkin bread. So in the last video I did pumpkin spice, and I did the pumpkin spice just because I wanted to do and try out this pumpkin bread recipe. So let's go to the kitchen with me and let's start doing this baby. Oh, by the way, this is a pumpkin, okay? It's just a variety of pumpkin. It's not regular pumpkin like the one we used to know, like that one, like orangish yellow. But this is a Nicaraguan variety of pumpkin. It's like greenish with orange stripes. You can see a little bit of orange here. But it has the same taste. It works the same. So let's go ahead and do our pumpkin bread. Now for this recipe, I wrote it on my whiteboard that I usually use to do my workouts. But since this is a long recipe, I wanted to have everything where I could look at it really quick. Now first I'm going to do my pumpkin puree, since here in Nicaragua, it's not like traditional to have canned pumpkin puree. Then we don't have that in our supermarket. So I have to do it from scratch. This took me like good 10 minutes to cut everything, put out all the seeds, and put it to boil. But it's worth it because it's very fresh. Alright, so we boil it until it's soft. You can stick it with a fork, and then we separate the skin from the meat. Okay, so after doing our pumpkin puree, we're going to mix all our dry ingredients first. I used like all-purpose gluten-free flour, and then I use this flour that it's rice flour, or gluten-free as well, from this brand Hinka, which you can find that in Walmart. I'll link it below as well. So as you can see, I'm using my favorite measuring spoons that I just got from Walmart. I'll just link it below as well where I got this from. By the way, I used coconut milk, homemade coconut milk. I'll link the video below of how to make your own coconut milk at home. It's pretty easy. And it works really good with the flour because it makes it rise. I noticed that when I use coconut, like shred or coconut milk in my recipes, it makes the consistency more fluffy and it rises. I'm going to link there below how to do your homemade pumpkin spice with a Latin touch. This is our star ingredient because it's gonna give the taste of the classic pumpkin bread or pie that we are used to eat during autumn. Alrighty, so I like to add some nuts to my pumpkin bread because it just tastes much better. I would love to use sunflower seeds, but I didn't have any handy, so I just used the nuts that I had handy at that time. Now I add the nuts last because if I add it during the dry ingredients, we're gonna just have like bowls of mass, and I don't like that. I just want to taste the clean nut, like instead of tasting the nut plus flour. So I use this bread pan to do my pumpkin bread. I use a little bit of aluminum foil because I didn't have any like cooking paper, that parchment paper that you usually use during cooking. Yeah, we don't have that right now in Nicaragua, or it's like very hard to find, so I just use aluminum foil.
Now set your oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit and leave that baking around 30 to 35 minutes and you'll have this result. It was really easy to like pull off the pan, and as you can see it was perfect timing and it's all golden brown and it smells delicious. So try this recipe, guys. Tell me what you think about it. It's gluten-free, so it's really light on your stomach. Let me know and comment down below. Bye!